In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow or deny chat requests on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, go to chess.com, make sure you are signed into your account, and after that go to settings. So click right here at the bottom left corner where it says settings, and that's where we need to search for privacy. Here it is. I'm just gonna click on it, and in here at the very top we can easily find the option which is called allow chat requests from. By default it is set to everyone, however if we click on it we'll be able to switch it to nobody, friends only, friends and club members, or we can keep it everyone. Once you have changed that option, just don't forget to scroll down a bit and click at Save to save the changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.